Hey gentlemen, want to impress your partner and feel more confident in bed? This powerful 15-second trick will help you achieve harder, longer lasting erections and better pleasure, naturally and effortlessly. Okay, all you're going to do is go to your kitchen right now, grab a pinch of salt, and execute this simple trick. If you want to know more about it, I'm going to leave the link to the official video right in this video's description. It is super important that you check out the simple salt trick only through this link. Okay? This is the official one that will actually work for you guys. This simple salt trick was discovered by Harvard scientists, and it has been helping thousands of men to really get hard and have great performance in bed. Even some movie stars use this trick, and that's why they can go full rounds without getting tired. So, if you want to know more about it, make sure to check the link in this video's description while it's still available. Don't waste any time. This can really help a lot. Confidence starts here. If you want to bring back your best performance and satisfy your partner like never before, Nitrox Pro is for you. Stocks are almost gone, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now.